myself Rajesh Piralkar, founder director of Renutron Power Solutions India Private Limited, Kolhapur. Year 2020 is a silver jubilee year for us. So it's been a 25 years of long journey into business for us. We are India's largest and number one lift UPS manufacturing company, and we are really proud of it. Today, I would like to share with you about 6 important aspects of any business to become a successful one. 2 things before we go into those 6 aspects. First and foremost, I am a first generation entrepreneur. That means my dad was not a businessman, so I started it and doing it. Yes. Secondly, I am not a management student, so I didn't go to any management school. So where did I got those learnings? In 2008, I came across a community called as teaching learning community. Whatever my learnings are there, so whatever success I could get is because of all those learnings. You can see it here in the graph. This is called as YOY or year on year growth graph. So you can clearly see 2018 onwards, there's a steep rise in the growth of our company. So it's not only a story, but it's a true success story of our company, Renutron. Now coming back to those 6 important aspects. The first, leadership. Mostly, the growth of any company is limited by its owner's capacity to dream big. We call it as vision or a distant goal. You can if you think you can. So one can grow as much as he thinks or explores himself. In short, a business can grow as much as possible as its owner thinks. The second aspect is strategy. To achieve any dream or goal, one must have a clear-cut and good knowledge of strategic triangle and also an action plan to do it. The 3 corners of strategy triangle are product, market, and competencies. So one must be clear about which particular product to which particular market with which competencies he would take. A good strategy decides why the customer should prefer you or your product over so many of your other competitors which are already there into the market. The third aspect, human resources. See, you can't do it alone. So you have to build a very good team. To execute this strategy, you should also have a motivated, charged team. Human resources involves attracting good talent, training, coaching them, and aligning them to your organizational goal and culture. In the process, as a leader, you must take due care of them. So HR involves talent acquisition, total employee engagement, and talent retention. The fourth aspect, sales and marketing. Very few people understand what is the difference between sales and marketing. Marketing is attracting the buyers towards your brand or product, and selling is pushing your product or services to the market or customers or completing the transactions. So very few fortunate and determined companies can become brands in a short time. Otherwise, it's a task, a very challenging to establish and remain as a good brand. The fifth aspect, world-class manufacturing practices or processes. You see, there are so many, some very good tools and techniques like 5S, RCA, Kanban, Pokayoke, Kaizen, waste management, etc., which makes your organization slim and trim, and efficient one. Be it a manufacturing company or a service provider, you and your team must implement these to strive and become a world class manufacturing unit. Sixth, last but not the least, financial management. It's not only how technically sound you are or your product is, but how are you managing the show financially? If you're earning good profits, your cash flow is positive, then health of your organization is supposed to be good, and it gets clearly reflected in the audited financial reports. Friends, let me end my message here with a word of caution. There was a survey conducted by a nationalized bank, and they were studying all the defaulter units, why certain businesses collapsed and eventually they had to close down and they go bankrupt. One of the finding was the majority of these businesses were run by technocrats, and it was only financial mismanagement because of which they had to eventually close down. I hope my message is loud and clear. Thank you. Thank you for watching me patiently. Thank you and all the best.